The customer said that he spilled water on his wolf range and then smoke started coming out of it before it completely stopped working. Today we're going to fix this premium beauty. As you can see, I tore this range down in literally 5 seconds.
Okay.
Since my diagnostics revealed multiple faults, I went ahead and replaced all the necessary parts. Now let's put it all back together in reverse order. Let's do a quick check. Everything needs to respond perfectly with no errors. All the burners are working great. So now let's move on to checking the oven.